Cut your headpins 3 cm long. Use color pencil or a marker to mark on your round nose plier. This is the end where we had cut using our plier, and this is the smooth end. If you don't have a filer, make a loop at this end. So we have the smooth end to put into our ears. Use a chain nose plier to hold it through halfway and pull your wire up. At right angle and it is centered. Measure and cut 15 cm length of wire. Make a loop. Take the shorter end and make another loop. So that we have both the wires cross each other. Squash it little bit using your chain nose plier. Give it a little bend and use any round stuff to make in shape of a ring. Cut exactly at the center. Make an outward loop to both the ends. Made it in golden color as well. Please do like, share, comment below and also subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos over here. Thanks for watching.